In this video, I'm going to show you how you can re-download Website X5. So if you have a new computer or perhaps you've just done a factory reset, you're probably wondering how you re-download Website X5 and reinstall it on your computer. So if you go to the main Website X5 homepage, there's no kind of download link anywhere to be seen, either in the top toolbar or on the bottom taskbar in the bottom here. So what you literally need to do is go to a different web page. This one is called helpcenter.websitex5.com. I will put this link in the description so you can just click on it and go straight to this page. So once you're on this page, you can then log in. So you will need your login details. This will be your email address and the password that you first used when you set up the program. You will also need your serial code, which you also receive through an email to reinstall it on your computer. So all you literally have to do is click login, enter your username and your email address, such as so, then log in. So once you log in, you may come to this page straight away. If you don't, you can also scroll down to the bottom here and you can click on download. And again, you will be taken to the same download page. So literally you can see it here. So it says the product name, Website X5 Evo. And all you literally have to do is click on the download link, save it to your PC. Once it's downloaded and saved, literally open the program, follow the instructions on the screen, enter your serial code, and you should be good to go. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.